A yacht fanatic has come up with designs for a mind-blowing super yacht that exudes luxury and opulence suitable for any self-respecting billionaire. Dubbed the Mogul 777 by its designer Denis Suka, the hypothetical mega yacht would boast some incredible features on top of what we have come to expect from such vessels, such as an aquarium and indoor waterfall. This is not to mention the regular luxury features, such as 2 swimming pools, 1 indoor, 1 outside, sun-deck jacuzzi with panoramic views, fire pit, helipad at the bow of the yacht and a beach club area, plus vast open social spaces for entertaining guests. This is the best part of the yacht, where owner can host parties and spend time with friends and family, Suka says on his Instagram of the huge open social spaces. The yacht would measure 252 feet in length, sports of steel hull and aluminium superstructure, has an estimated top speed of 17 to 20 knots and can house up to 18 guests in 9 cabins plus the master suite. But the centerpiece of this billionaire's plaything that would attract all eyes is surely the indoor swimming pool, which has a waterfall that runs into it and sits above an aquarium, meaning it would not be necessary to dive into the sea to swim with fish. The design is by a yacht influencer, Denis Suka, also known as the Yacht Mogul, who has 790,000 followers on Instagram. He designs, sells and charters luxury boats and yachts, saying, "I was always curious to know more about those luxury megatoys moving through seas and oceans, anchoring in the world's most famous harbors and drawing everyone's attention." "I said to myself that there must be something special about super yachts, and that's where I belong,"